Want to buy a home? Well, here's a good piece of advice for you. Shut up. Don't open your mouth, because by opening your mouth, you could actually be hurting your chances of buying a home. Hey guys, Julian Gonzalez here with RSVP Real Estate. Thanks so much for tuning in. If at any point in this video you find it interesting, greatly appreciate throwing a like, and maybe if you consider subscribing, it'd be an honor, because I know there's so many channels out there to select from. All right guys, so this tip for Tuesday, I decided to do a little bit of a field trip to kind of recreate something that happened to me this past Saturday with some of my new buyers. So they're supposed to meet me at a house to do a showing. They wanted to look at the house. So this goes for everybody out there that wants to see a home, whether it's in a showing or maybe in an open house. So when I met up with my buyers, they showed up earlier and they're in the porch and they were talking. I said, hey guys, one thing you need to learn is to stay quiet. Don't open your mouth. They're like, why? And you're probably saying, why? Guys, because we live, in a new technological world. Cameras everywhere, everybody's listening. So it's better to stay quiet because you never know who's listening. Here's what I mean. So if you're a buyer and you show up at a house and you're like, man, this house is disgusting. I like it, but God, I don't like the way it looks outside, the way it painted the purple walls. That's disgusting, blah, 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 blah. Well, by opening your mouth, you could actually be hurting the seller's feelings. Why? Ring system. Any kind of system could be listening. It could be the seller. Yeah, they shouldn't be doing that, but sellers are curious to know what buyers think of their home. Go inside, same thing. There's an Alexa system. I think it's called the Google Dot. Could be wrong, sorry about that. Or it could be a baby monitor. They could be listening, guys. Again, they shouldn't be doing that, but they do that. So if you go inside and you say, oh, this house, ugh, look at the way they painted it. Oh, look at those ugly furniture. Who the hell picked that? That's so disgusting. You could actually be insulting the seller on the other end of the audio system. So if you're lucky enough to get selected in the final 3 of a multi-offer situation, you could actually be excluded because you hurt that seller's feelings. You're saying, yeah, but you want to maximize your chances of buying a home, correct? Even worse, if I'm inside and I have a buyer says, Julian, this house is spectacular, and I'm the seller, I'm listening, oh, they really want this house. And my buyer says, Julian, hey, this house costs $700,000. Now we know we could afford $1 million, so let's offer $675,000. Well, if you're lucky enough to have been picked as the winning bid or the winning offer for the home and you negotiate, well, if I tell the listing broker, hey, we're tapped out $700,000, that seller is going to tell the listing broker, that's not true. Because I heard what they said outside on the porch or inside through the baby monitor. They said they could afford $1 million. So let's drive up the price on them. And plus, they showed a lot of enthusiasm showing to me or to us that they really want the home. So again, guys, stay quiet, shut up, don't say things. Because again, by opening your mouth, you could be hurting your chances of getting that home. Good luck.